In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion weight tracker. We'll keep this simple by using a ready-made template and then tailoring it so it works for your goals and routines. First, open the Notion website in your browser. Starting from the website makes it straightforward to find and add a template to your workspace. Once you're on the home page, look for the Marketplace. In some versions, you might see it labeled as Templates or Template Gallery. Click that to browse all the available options. At the top of the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Weight Tracker. This will pull up templates designed specifically for tracking weight and related wellness metrics. You'll likely see a few variations, so take a moment to skim the previews. Look for a layout that includes a table or database with useful fields like date, current weight, and notes. Select the template that fits your style, click into it to view the details, and then click Add. Depending on the template, the button might say, use this template or add to Notion, but the idea is the same. You're bringing it into your workspace so you can make it your own. Once the template is added, feel free to customize everything. Rename the page so it's clear and motivating, and adjust the properties in the database to match what you want to track. For example, you can keep a date column for each weigh-in, a number column for your weight, and a notes column for how you felt or what changed in your routine. If the template includes extra fields you don't need, hide or remove them to keep things clean and focused. You can also switch views, like a calendar view for scheduling weigh-ins or a simple table view for fast entry, so it's easier to stay consistent. Now add details that personalize your tracker. Include your weight goal so it's always visible, either in a dedicated goal field if the template has one, or in the page description at the top. This gives you a clear target to work toward. You can also add photos to capture progress visually. Attach a photo to individual entries or place a gallery on the page to see changes over time. Keep file names simple and consistent so they're easy to find later. That's it. You've opened Notion, used the Marketplace to find a weight tracker, added the template, customized it for your needs, and added your goal and photos. Keep it updated regularly, and your tracker will become a reliable, motivating part of your wellness routine.